Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Tether in the Coinbase app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type Tether just like this and search for it. After that, here we can find the pairs of Tether just like this. Now scroll down and find out which one are you interested in, and after that simply tap on it. Then here we can find the option of buy, then simply tap on it. Now add the given information about the Tether just like this, and you can simply tap on to preview buy order. And after doing this, you can buy the Tether. And that's it. This is how you can buy Tether on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.